Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make the light flash on your Google Pixel when you get a notification. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. Open the Settings app first and then scroll down and choose Accessibility from the list. Within here, scroll down again until you find the section called Audio. Tap on Flash Notifications here, and then you have two choices to turn them on. You can choose to either use the camera flash, or you could choose screen flash, which if you tap on, you can select the color. You can also preview how either of these will look with the button. That's how to make the light flash on your Google Pixel when you get a notification. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your Google Pixel. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.